Hi and welcome to Ocean AI. Today I wanted to do a educational video, just going over the patterns that I look at and things we look for when trading these markets. So firstly, if you like what I do, go into the YouTube channel and like and subscribe to the videos, and yeah, I'll just keep doing them. Love what I do. So yeah, check that out. So the reason I'm doing this video is one of our members sent us through this chart on Saturday morning when I woke up. It was just the Dow Jones on the Friday, just pattern after pattern after pattern. So this is why I'm doing this one. So if you look at this is cash market, open here to close here. You just look at this, it doesn't look like a lot, just looks like a whole lot of sideways movement. But when we start digging into it, this is a 1 minute chart, so this is small time frame trading. But these moves are quite big. The sort of 1 minute charts are the equivalent to about a 15-minute chart going back 3 or 4 years with the amount of volatility we got now. So, right, let's look at this. So if we look at the open first, so this green line is the opening price. I always mark that on my charts as it has relevance to where the day can go, whether it's going to be an up day or a down day. And one of the strategies I use is an opening range strategy. So when the market opens, we'll see which way it breaks, either way. And then we look to buy or sell a retracement from that. So if we see it opened here and it dropped down about 50 points and then rallied up about 100, up above the opening price, and then fell away again. So when it fell down below that first low on the first bar, it was a signal to say that we're looking at possibly lower prices for the day. So with that, what we look for is a retracement. So we get that high down to that low, and then we look for an ABCD pattern back to sort of 50-60% or the opening price, whichever level you want to look at. So that opening price was a 78% retracement there. So we're looking in this area here for a possible sell signal. And so that's the first pattern there. So with the opening, rallied up, came back down, and then we got this sell signal here at the 61%, and that gave us that first run down. So with these targets, with these trades, you look for like an ABCD. So the downside target on that one was 31.50. 31,550, so that was 200 points there. That's what we look for, AB equals CD. And then we move on from there. Once that low come in there, we had a bit of a rally. And in that rally, we had this top was a little 3-drive pattern. Which is this one here. So we had this high. Let's drive 1, up for drive 2, and then up for drive 3. And that's a 3-drive pattern. That also coming back to, if we just take it off the last high, that would be that 61% retracement as well. Just short of 61% there. But that 3-drive pattern gives you a sell signal there. Then from that, we get this next sell-off, which come down to the 61% here as well. So these are just things that repeat over and over. See 61% there, down into here. And then from there, we got the ABCD again. So that high down to that low, we got the AB, CD, Gartley into the 61% there. And then once again with that, chasing that ABCD, that ABCD target down was here. So that completed nicely, and that was just over 100 points on that one, 120 points for that one. By the way, I didn't trade these. I don't trade a lot after about 10 o'clock for the US session, because I like to sleep sometimes, so I do most of my trading through Europe and Asia market. Yeah, so we got that ABCD down. Down to there. And that gave us the buy opportunity here. So with that one, would have had your order in here. Stop loss would have been below, just below that low there. So with that one, really only risking sort of 30 points. But if I had taken this one and it rallied up there, was sort of 80 odd points, I would have moved my stop loss to 0 and would have got stopped out here for nothing. Just an example how I would have traded that. Rallied off, it's enough for me to move my stop to 0, and then it come back quickly and took me out. So we move on to the next one. So we had that rally again here. Not much there to trade in, no pattern here. Always looking for that ABCD, but there's no pattern here to trade. So that was purely Fibonacci level. But then we go down to here and we get that same pattern we got in over here. So this one came down to nearly the 78% the level there. And then from there, this pattern repeats. So we get this Gartley again, from the high to the low. And then up into that 50 to 60% retracement area I always look for. And that was that one. That was another signal to go short. And then once again, looking for the ABCD down. And that was down here. So exactly the same as before. Just Friday was just one of those. It doesn't happen like this every day. Friday was just one of those freakish days. And with that as well, if we look at time and price, ABCDs, you always want to look for the AB leg to equal the CD leg. So if we go from that high there down to the low, then move that one across, go from that high to the low. It came in there, so it stayed at that same level until here, and then it took off again. So your time and price is right to buy this one. And away we go. And also with that one, this is just crazy what happened. We had this one, don't think it quite made it. Oh. Yeah, it didn't quite get low enough to make the bigger ABCD here, but we had the smaller one to get long here. Then from there, we had this pullback here. If you want to get really finicky, there's a little ABCD in here, pull back to the 60%, and that rallied off. So we had this one that rallied off nicely from there. Then we had a pullback here, nothing really to get in there. This one was a nice one. If we have a look at this one, this is one that was marked on Jason's chart previously. That came back to 786. That gave us a buy opportunity. That ABCD down. That was that one. And once again, we got that ABCD target up there of 31,650-ish. And that's another 140 odd, 30 odd points in there. That gave us that sell signal to sell that one. So that was the ABCD there. Always looking for the smaller ABCDs to give us the bigger one. And then we got that sell off there, which created the 135 pattern, which went higher from there. So it's just crazy what happened. But some days you get these things, and this is why I love the patterns. So if I get rid of this one, so now we're looking for this final high here. So if we look at that, what we got there was another 3 drive. See this one here, drive 1, drive 2, and drive 3. And 3 drive, we like to see the ABCD pattern as well. And that was this one here. And also with the, we like to see at extension levels. From the first move. So we put in the 161 and the 127. Yeah, 127 was certain. And we had the 161 coming in at the same level here. This was 127 of extension of this move here. That gave us that top there. So that gives us that 3 drive pattern we're looking at. And that was your sell signal for the weekend. Yeah, and from there we dropped down, and then obviously when it opened up on Monday again, we gapped down and still down from there. That last one, you could have, after we had this first drop, we got that first retracement. That came back to the 61% there, and that gave us another. We didn't get this one. That first pullback was a place to get that second one, and then obviously we're still down from there. So yeah, this is just purely educational. Oh yeah, forgot that last one there. That last one, which was the top, that was the butterfly. So I had a 3 drive. Confirmation was this butterfly here. That one there. That was at 1.27. So 3 drive, butterfly. Just pattern after pattern after pattern. This stuff doesn't happen every day, but when it does happen, hard to trade a 1 minute chart, but this is why I like these patterns, and as you can see, they work over and over again. So this was just educational video just to show things we're looking for and how they set up and targets we look for, things like that. So yeah, I hope this helps. Yeah, like I said before, if you like it, give me a like and a subscribe on the YouTube channel, and yeah, we'll do more stuff and go from there. So thanks for tuning in. Cheers.